Hi guys, today I will show you how to repeat your title in every page of Word document. This is the format table I have typed in Microsoft Word. Okay, look that this is your title. If you want to repeat in each and every page your Word document here, people normally do the copy paste like that, copy and they paste here. Okay, people do like this, but I don't really like this to do. It's hard and it takes very long time for preparing any document. I will show you shortcuts and how to do this. Okay, look at that. The title is only in first page and I want to repeat in every page in Word document. You have to just go to title and select the title like this and press Alt A H. Remember Alt A H. Select the matter and press Alt A H. Your title will appear in each page of Word document like look this every page. And even you can't do anything from it, it's not disturbed. It's like a header footer like this. Okay. If you want to remove the same key will work. Just select the matter and press Alt A H. The title will go. Look that. Remember, select the title and press Alt A H. The title will appear. Look that. And if you want to remove the same key will work. Press title and press Alt A H. It will go. Okay. Hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.